For the longest time, I believed self-care was a luxury, something you do when everything else is done. So I kept pouring. For my family, for my job, for people who never even noticed the weight I carried. One evening, I sat at the edge of my bed, exhausted from a day I couldn't even remember. I realized I had checked off every box except one: me. That night, I did something small. I made tea, not for anyone else, not in a rush, not between tasks, just me, in silence. I sipped slowly, like I was drinking from my own soul. It didn't fix everything, but it reminded me that I existed and I mattered. Since then, I've learned self-care isn't selfish. It's how we survive without disappearing. And maybe healing begins the moment we stop asking for permission to rest.
Stillness isn't weakness. It's where the healing begins. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or emotionally stuck, this book is your quiet place to start again. Stillness Heals by Dr. Olivia Blackwell. A powerful emotional detox and nervous system reset for anyone ready to finally breathe, let go, and rise. Start your healing. Turn the first page today. Available now.